Hello everyone, my name is Ana Cristina Andrade, and for my fitness data analysis, we're going to be looking at the Santa Ana Unified School District. This is the Santa Ana Unified School District logo, and we're going to be looking all the way back to 2001. Now, the new summary of results are a lot different back then than they are now. The new ones are a lot nicer and newer, that's what I've noticed, but since we're going to be looking at 2001 to 2002, we have the physical fitness task on the left side, and we have for grades 5, 7, and 9th, and then we have the number of fitness standards achieved on the left side as well for all three grades 5, 7, and 9. HFC stands for Healthy Fitness Zone, and not in so healthy fitness zone, we have the trunk extension strength for 5th grade, which the lowest is 12.7, and for the 7th, 7.7, and grades 9, 13.8. For the female summary, of 2001, we have the physical fitness task for grades 5, 7, and 9th, and again, the number of fitness standards achieved for all three grades. For the not so healthy fitness zone, we still have the 12.6 for grades 5. For grade 7, it's 6.2. For grade 9, we have 10.9, and it's all again on the trunk extension strength. For the male summary of 2001, the lowest is 12.8 for 5th grade, 7th grade, 9.1, and 9th grade, the lowest, it's 14.9. And this is, again, falls under the category of the trunk extension strength for the fitness task. Now, the elementary school that I went to was called Thomas Jefferson Elementary School, and we're going to go back again to the same year of 2001. This is their logo. I couldn't find another better logo, sorry. In 2001 summary, we have the fitness physical tests, grades 5, 7, and 9th. So the lowest one for the not so healthy fitness zone, it's 5.5, and for the highest, it is a 94.5, sorry. And the total that were tested were 146 kids. And for grade 7 and 9th, we have a result of zeros. So I guess they were just focusing on grades 5 and this year. For the female summary, again, 7th and 9th are not shown, but in grades 5, we see that in the females, the not so healthy fitness zone, the lowest grade is the 7.5, which is the abdominal strength. And the highest is the 92.5, which is also the abdominal strength. For the males, we have the not so healthy fitness zone is 3.8, and again, it falls under the abdominal strength. Thank you so much for watching, and these are my resources for the California Department of Education. I also included some links for the California Department of Education and the Choose My Plate for more resources. Thanks again for watching.